In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play My Gaming Cafe on Roblox. It's going to be an ultimate guide. We're walking you through from the very start. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, when you get loaded in, you're going to see these little gift icons in your little base. Go ahead and select them, and that's going to unlock your mouse, your keyboard, your monitor, and your PC. From here, you want to go ahead and come in, buy another table. It's going to pop up, and then once again, go ahead and select all of that stuff, just like so, to get yourself another mouse, keyboard, and a PC. It looks like we got an office PC for this one. From here, make your way over to the spin button, and when you spin, it's going to pop up with essentially more stuff over here that you can go ahead and pick up. Like, for example, this is an office keyboard and mouse. It's going to give us plus $4. So we want to pick that up, and you can go ahead and replace any of your keyboard, mouses, or devices in here with the stuff that you spend for, which will make you make more money overall. As you can see, we're making a little bit more money. And then essentially what you need to do is keep repeating this process. So spin, try and get something good. If you get something good that is better than what you're currently using, you want to go ahead and replace it. In this case, we have a $4 monitor or we have a $2 monitor. This one isn't particularly useful really at all, and you can discard it over here. Now there's other stuff in here like the item shop. This is just decoration stuff, so you can get cash from it, and you can also go ahead and spend Robux on it. There's a bunch of different tabs up at the very top as well. And you also have different upgrades that you could do for a certain amount of money, like luck multiplier, cash multiplier. I'd recommend starting with your cash multiplier because obviously that'll make you make more cash. But then, of course, immediately hit up luck so that you can start getting better stuff over here. Now, there's also this tab down at the very bottom. Home will just teleport you here. Index will bring up your index and show you everything that you've collected. Inventory shows your current inventory, and shop is, once again, a way to just check all the actual Robux purchases. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.